Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. If this happens to be your first time visiting, welcome to Siempre Infinitos DIY. Today I have a really quick and easy video for you. Last week I made an ice cream cone. This time I'm going to be showing you how to make an ice cream cup. Again, this is a quick and easy video. If you have never done one before and you are looking into learning how to, well then I am honored to share with you how to do it. Here are all of the items that I'm going to be using in this video. Since we are in spring, I would like to use light colors for my ice cream. And these are the colors that I chose to use. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is giving it between 3 to 4 coats of paint. And I'm going to let it dry in between each coat. If you like to fasten the process, you can also use a hot tool, and this will take a lot less time for you to have to wait to get to the next step. You can also hold your cup up against the light, and that will show you how many more coats of paint you should give it. Especially if you're using a clear cup, it's always best to do that. I like to do that. And again, this is extremely easy. It really did not take that long. If I were to say how long it actually took me before editing this video, I would say it took me about no more than 30 minutes. I did have my fan running, so that actually kind of did help dry my paint a little faster. And then of course, because each layer of paint that I was giving it was little too light, I guess. I wasn't adding really a lot of paint on there. And as you can see, there is a little bit of where you can see kind of translucent there. So this is actually I'm doing is giving it the first coat of each color, and then I'm going to go back again and continue doing the same until I am satisfied. As well, I am going to be leaving a list of all of the items that I'll be using in this video in the description box down below. After I finish giving the 3 coats, if not 4, to my cup, I am going to let it sit and dry, and in between of letting it dry, I am going to cut out a piece of cardboard, and I'm going to trace the rim of my cup. I want to make sure that it's going to be the same size because I'm going to be using a piece of foam inside in the middle to hold my cardboard, which I'm giving it a coat of paint. You don't have to really necessarily do this. You can skip this. I just went ahead and did it, just in case there will be a gap or what have you. Now this piece of foam here, it is actually a piece of pool noodle. If you don't have one, you can use a toilet paper roll or even a 4-inch styrofoam ball. You can just cut that in half and then use that instead of using the cardboard. So here I have some lightweight spackle, and as you can see, it's starting to dry up, but I am not worried because I'm just going to spray some water, and then I'm just going to mix it until I get the consistency of like whipped cream, if that makes any sense, or soft ice cream. And then I'm just going to whip it because I want it to be white. I'm not really adding any paint to it. And the lights, this brand that I'm using here, it's already white as it is, so it's good compared to others that I have used in the past. It's a little grayish when it dries up, but this brand that I like to use doesn't do that. So I am very happy and I will continue using it. So now I'm going to be adding the icing, but the ice cream on top, and I used the tip number 1M. I used a icing bag, and of course here as you can see, I'm just adding it all up there. And also it's very easy, if I've not already mentioned it. And now I just want to add some little bit of glitter. Obviously you can skip this part, but because I can't help myself, I just went ahead and added some white glitter to it. And once I finish adding the glitter, I'm going to come in and start adding some more goodies. I thought I was going to use like that Oreo cookie there, what you see there on the top of the screen, but I just decided to skip it. And instead I'm going to be adding a pink little cherry. I also want to add my glitter to that as well. And well, here you have it. This is really extremely easy. If you have never done one, this is how easy it will be. If you have, I'm sure you probably have as well. But if you haven't, I am so happy that you are here watching this video. And as you can see, it's also a short video as well. The only thing now, I'm just going to be adding some sprinkles. It is up to you however you like to decorate your ice cream cup. If you have done this before or if you plan to do one, please share with me. I would love to see your creation. And there it is, you know, simple, easy, quick. Anyone can do this, even the kiddos can do this. So thank you so much, friends, for stopping by. I will give you a closer look so you can see how easy and cute this ice cream looks like. I am so excited because I'm going to be adding this to my coffee bar, and this is just going to sit out there. I just love how it looks. I think it looks so adorable. All right, my friends, so as you have noticed as well, this is the end of the video. Thank you so very much for stopping by, and until the next time, stay safe, be kind, bye.